Hello guys, who's ready to get into another crafting idea? So here's what I have. A diagram. This is a blueprint of the shelf I'm going to make that are going to go on the side of the desk. And this is a blueprint of the top piece that I'm going to add. It's going to look basically like that. The rose desk in the middle, two shelves on the side, and this last piece on top will give us lots of space. I usually use basswood instead of balsa wood because balsa wood is way too flexible. This is the top piece. I have it upside down right now. All the pieces have been sanded and glued together. This right here are the two shelves. They've all been sanded and glued together. They all just need to be spray painted. So here I put at the bottom, I put a little tiny ledge because I decided I'm going to put sliding doors, so the groove, that frontal groove will hold the doors in. I put another one at the top, and now we need to get one for the back. And here's how they look. This is the top piece, all spray painted. There's the two little grooves, and they are at the bottom, already glued in. I do still need to do the top one. It is spray painted, the piece is spray painted, but we only have the front groove on because the back one will be glued on after I put the doors in. Here are the doors. I love how shiny they came out. So that's the back, and that just shows me, I just wrote on the back to give me the directions on how to put them in. There are 4 sliding doors, so they're all in, and then I just need to put this little cord at the back, and that will hold them all in place. And I'll be gluing it with my welder's glue to make sure nothing comes undone. I really hate when things come undone. And that is how it looks. I think it looks super great, but I think it looks a little colorless. So I'm going to add these are some sewing snaps, but I'm going to add these as little doorknobs to help with the sliding. So I think I'm going to be using, they're really nice colors and I don't really know which ones to choose, but I'm going to go with the yellow. I think it looks really good with the yellow. Gives it a little bit of color. They are glued on with welder's glue, so I can't really change them. And of course the back has not been painted. Those doors, I don't really need them to be painted because I'm never going to see it inside anyways. And you just slide them like that. I really love how it turns out. I love sliding doors. Previous videos I showed you this desk, the rose desk, the Sweet Rose's desk. It is damaged, so I really didn't mind spray painting it. But if you have one that's in great condition, I would recommend not spray painting it. If you ever plan on reselling, I would suggest always going with a white because it's the easiest one to resell. That's the color I went with, just in case I want to resell it. Looks great. Oh my god, I bit my tongue. These are the white shelves. I put a border at the bottom. That way I could put them like this sideways if I wanted to together. I could put them like that. I'll show you the ledge up close so you can see. So as you see, when they come together, they meet perfectly. Just place them side by side. This is how the 3 pieces look when I place them together outside of the diorama still. And that's the 4th piece. I think all 3 of them as an office area look great together. And this is the room I'm going to be putting them in. It is kind of hard to reach into because it's a little, shelf is a little low. but they're gonna go in like that. And then the fourth piece, just put that in, and it looks really great. I really like the way it turned out. And I have already put some of the magnet pieces on. I think I want to put some white paper behind it, a cork board, maybe some notes up on the wall. So that's the DIY project that I had in mind that I wanted to complete for my office dollhouse diorama room. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys are able to get a little bit of inspiration, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.